If you've watched any of my videos previously, you'll know that one of my pet hates in the Q4 E-Tron is the piano black trim and the touchscreen and their ability to collect fingerprints. Now recently, a company called Screen ProTech reached out and asked me if I wanted to review their screen protectors. Screen ProTech are based in the United States, so they've sent me the right-hand drive version for the Q4 E-Tron, which covers the center screen, the virtual cockpit, and the center console. They've also sent the install insurance option, which includes a duplicate for each piece of film. As you can see though, nice flat piece, so pretty straightforward for application. If you look in this section, which was filmed the following day, you can see the fingerprints on the gloss black, and then the new protector, which has been on for 24 hours at this point, gloss black on the other side. So already there's hardly any reflections on there. It's a big difference.